Yeah. Ano, at kung hindi ko sinabi yung sinabi ko sa SONA, wala tayong pinag-uusapan na ganito. I'm the one who exposed all of this. And I'm the only one that has started to do anything about it. Bakit? Ang mga nakaramba na Pangulo, may nakita ba kayong ginawang ganon? Meron ba silang kinulong? Meron ba silang finish na account? Meron ba silang mga investigasyon na ginawa? Wala. Sa akin lang. Tapos sasabihin, ako daw ang may kagagawan. Eh kung talagang racket ko yun, ba't ko sisirain yung racket ko? Diba? That makes absolutely no sense. So,
Kasi selective justice.
I'm sorry?
Selective justice.
What about selective justice?
Pipili lang daw yung mga sumat yung mga
No, from the time that we formed the independent commission, sinabi ko, we'll just follow the evidence. Let's do continue to do.